Good morning guys, Angela here. Welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. And in today's video, I am going to continue with my technique of using hair comb to embellish or at least design my paintings. If you have looked at my last few paintings, you've noticed that I was using a small hair comb to embellish. At least at the end of the video, I used that to kind of design my painting. Anyway, today I am going to be using this one. This is a little bit bigger than the one I used before, and so because I want to get the prominent design, I'm going to use this, and we'll see how it works out. If this works out better, then I will continue with this technique for maybe another few more paintings, and then continue move on to other techniques. As you have noticed in my channel, I do not just use one technique because I like to learn different techniques. I use these techniques just with it, you know, like the pearl pour technique. That is, you can make it your own by, you know, by painting your own style. That's what I mean by using different techniques. So I would use pearl pour technique, I use Dutch pour, I use string pour, chain pour, landscapes, and seascapes. I have used oil painting, painting a landscape once, and I did not really like it that much. So my landscapes, I use acrylic paint to paint my landscapes. I know my inspiration is Bob Ross, and he used oil paints, and I tried that, and first of all, I could not stand the smell. Second of all, it's just a mess. It leaves a lot of mess, and then you have to take a long time to clean up the paint, you know, the paint brushes, the paint off your station, whatever. So I just, you know, it just takes a long time, and I just don't have the time to paint, to clean up those brushes. And also, you know, you have to take time to, you know, finding the better, you know, better solutions, better cleaners to clean your brushes, you know, your oil paint off your brushes. With that said, I am going to bring you down and show you what I'm doing today. Excuse my station here, it's a little bit messy, although I actually reorganized my studio, because as you can see over here, I have that cabinet right there, the white cabinet you see there. It's full of my painting supplies. I put them all away because I don't like seeing my things all of my paint tubes everywhere, but we still have a few. And yeah, so anyway, and I also got excuse that, I also got these paints from Arteza not too long ago, and I am going to paint with these. Even with my landscapes, I will use these paints to paint. And yeah, but today I am not doing a landscape. I'm just gonna do a regular nice pour and design it with this. We'll see how it turns out. Stay tuned. I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. thank you for being here. Thank you for sticking with me. I am very, very happy about the comments I'm getting. I also put, if you guys haven't seen my my poll, I put a poll on the community tab asking you guys if you want me to continue doing more of the pearl pours, or would you rather see me do a few more of the landscape. So please let me know, and I will link videos that I think that would go with this one on above. And also I have put all my videos on different playlists. So the best way to watch, if you want to watch someone's videos for a while, like if you really like the videos and you want to watch them for a while, instead of going to that one video and then watching it and then having to change again to another video, just go to the playlist. And once you hit playlist and say play, it will play everything that is on that playlist, and it's not going to play anybody else's video at that time. So playlists are the way to go. Just go to my playlists and watch continuously. And I have all kinds of playlists there. I have, like I said, Dutch pour playlist, I have pour pours, and I have landscapes. I even have all the videos that I've made since January 2022. So I have a playlist for 2022 videos there. So please just go in there, hit play, and go on with your life, and listen and watch. And that's the best way to watch, to support the person that you enjoy their videos from. So yeah, playlist is the way to go. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Let me stop talking and we'll get on the canvas down here. I will start painting, and I'll just show you the paints I'm gonna use and everything. So yeah, thanks for being here, and your support is greatly appreciated. All right, see you down here. Alright guys, welcome back. My canvas is already set up. I have a 12 by 16 here, and it's just a canvas board. And again, I'm only gonna use 3 or 4 colors here. So this is my base that I'm gonna put down, and hoping this shows. Yeah, that's my base that I'm gonna put down. Then this is a mixture of Liquitex magenta and dioxazine violet. And here we have Winsor Newton's paint gray, and I put a little bit black oxide. Here is Liquitex turquoise, Liquitex turquoise blue, actually. Very beautiful color, and you'll see them when they are on the canvas. They are really, really beautiful. And this here is 24 karat gold by Deco Art. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, I am going to be using this to make my design with. All right, here we go. you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos.